Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by sanitizing your hands and workspace. Make sure tools are clean and within reach. Remove old polish, push back cuticles, and trim nails to shape. This helps gel adhere. Then lightly buff each nail to take off natural shine because a deglossed surface prevents lifting later. Once done, wipe with a lint-free pad and cleanser to remove dust and oils. Now you're ready to apply base. Thin, even coat, avoiding cuticles for a neat cure under the lamp. You apply the base coat thinly. Less is better, then cure per lamp type. Follow the kit time settings exactly. Next, paint the first color coat in 3 strokes. Center, left, right, cap the free edge to reduce chips, then cure. Apply a second thin color coat for opacity and cure again. Make sure to wipe any uncured tacky layer only when instructed. If gel touches skin, clean before curing. Once finished, check for even coverage and prepare for top coat application. You finish with a thin top coat, sealing the free edge to lock everything in, then cure completely according to your lamp's timing. After curing, some top coats leave a tacky layer. If your product does, wipe with cleanser and a lint-free pad. Once nails are dry and clean, apply cuticle oil to hydrate surrounding skin. If you see lifting or bubbles, don't panic. Gently file the affected area, clean with cleanser, and reapply base, color, and top coat on that nail. This corrects adhesion problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.